Okay, we're gonna make a party dip with just 5 ingredients: mayo, onion, almonds, cheddar, and bacon. I use a coffee grinder to grind up the almonds so I don't dull the blade in our Cuisinart unnecessarily. Half a cup of the ground almonds. 1 cup of bacon pieces. If you buy one of these packages, it's literally the right size, 4.3 ounces. 1 cup finely grated cheddar cheese. Here's our 3 green onions finely chopped. Add the mayonnaise. This amount can vary depending on how you like the consistency. Okay, so here's what we've got. That's good. Anything with bacon is good anyway, but this is great. Do you think anybody will notice if this is a different batch? You want just to talk aimlessly like most cooking people do? It's not going to happen. Oh boy. We'll show this when it's done and time to eat it. Thank you for watching.